everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Ekakasini from the 29th of June to the 3rd of July 2026 on Monday. A night of celebration changes everything for music trio Truth or Dare, but disaster is waiting around the corner on Tuesday. Senzo and Noxolo learn more uncomfortable truth about their families. Truth or Dare gets its time in the sun. On Wednesday, Senzo want to sign the 3 members of the Truth or Dare, but there is only 2 on Thursday. The Dubes proudly send Noxolo off to her matric dance, unaware they are saying their final goodbye. Lwandle tells Sihle that she has a massive crush on Njabulo. Sihle betrays her friend by kissing him, which lead to a fatal accident on Friday. What's meant to be a dream come true feels like the start of a nightmare for Truth or Dare. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.